Welcome to this video guide on how to troubleshoot issues when your Cash App instant deposit is not working. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. You can try toggling your Wi-Fi, using airplane mode, or restarting your router. Also, check for any reported Cash App outages by visiting their status page or down detector. Next, make sure your app and device operating system are up to date. Outdated software can cause transaction errors. Check your App Store for updates and install any pending system updates in your phone's settings. You should also verify your account and review your limits. If your identity verification is incomplete or you have hit your transaction limits, instant deposits may be blocked. Check these settings within your profile. Another common fix is to relink or update your debit card. Go to the Banking tab in Cash App, select your linked card, and choose to remove or replace it. Then, follow the prompts to re-add the card with accurate information. If the problem persists, try clearing your app's cache or reinstalling the application. This can remove corrupted temporary files that might be interfering with your transfers. After reinstalling, log back in and test the deposit again. Specific instructions vary by platform. On iOS, you can offload and reinstall the app via iPhone storage settings. On Android, navigate to your app settings to clear the cache and storage for Cash App.